Stop it. We're not saying that on camera. Today we have to finish the teardown of the 4AG, and there's a pretty sweet car show up the street that we're going to try and get to midway through the teardown. The air pump's on. I'm a little buzzed because it's Sunday, so that means day drinking. Hey, Emily. And I got my pizza socks on, so let's see what we can get done. I saw us pull off valve covers, and they were coated in RTV and in really bad shape. But let me give you an idea of how bad the camshafts and how dirty this engine was. It reeks. It smells so badly. Let's kill some of the music here. You can see all the dirt and oil in this thing. To give you an idea of how bad things are, look at the covers. Inside there is just soot and oil and dirt. This engine was ran hard and ran wet, and someone did not give two shits about this engine at all. I mean, look at all that. That's bad. And you can see here, sometimes when people pull the covers, the cams look great and the bearings look, and the caps look great. But in this case, everything looks like dog shit, and we're gonna have a lot on our plate here. I'm not sure if a rebuild, babe, is what we can do.
I know.
Or we can just buy a new head. I mean, we have a lot of options here. We're going to continue this out. But I mean, look at this. Just RTV all over things that don't need RTV on them. Just fucking dog shit. Look at this. Goopy. Use the right gasket, folks. Come on. The gasket's like $5 on eBay. What are you doing? Anyway, we're going to take this off now and then try and take the head off tonight. About as far as we can get tonight. There's actually a car show that we're going to cut to that Emily and I got to go to earlier today, and we decided to walk the doggies there. It's about 5 miles, and since I can't pull this off because I don't have the head stud removal socket, I think it looks like a 12 point for these guys in here, I'm going to stop there tonight instead of breaking my head studs. We already found out that this bolt won't come off, but then also we're stopping here because the head studs have a specific fitting that I don't own, and I can't pull that off tonight. We're gonna pause. We're gonna go check out the car show. If you're still watching, hang out. There's amazing cars here. The Wild Cards team decided to do a pin release 3 miles from our house, so we walked the dogs to go check it out. We didn't get a pin because it was way too crowded. Larry Chen was there. Our friend Aaron was there. They were both a little busy, so they actually didn't really say hi to us. But if you guys are seeing this, we're saying hi. We'll finish this some other time. 2 miles later, we made it. Walked 2 miles to come to this car show. Might as well. We're just walking up now. It seems a little crazy. Check it out, cool to see.